Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing this pink halo cut crease for you guys, and it's actually really easy. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I came up with this look, and if you guys want to know what products I use, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so I know you guys know my face routine, but I did switch it up a little bit. I've been mixing this oil with my foundation. You guys, it's the best thing that I have ever thought about doing. So if you guys do have dry skin, I would suggest you guys using an oil with your foundation. It's going to change your guys' life. And then for my concealer, I did see a makeup artist apply the Morphe concealer, the white one, inside the inner corner, and then went in with like another shade, of the concealer. And the one that I'm using right now is the Fit Me one in shade number 10. And the reason that I'm applying this white one inside the inner corner is so it could just make my eyes pop out a little bit more. And as you guys can see, I have some ojeras, but this was literally early in the morning, probably like 7 a.m. So, I had just woken up, washed my face, and now I'm doing my makeup. But yeah, so it's something to think about. And then onto my brows, I am using the Anastasia dip brow, and I'm in the shade chocolate. And then on my lid, I did use the Fit Me one, the shade 10. And then again, went in with the white concealer just so I can make my eyeshadow pop a lot more. And you guys, it's the best thing I have thought about as well. And then I'm going in with this pink shade, just applying it all inside my crease. And this is the only shade that I am going to be using, like around my crease. And I'm going to go ahead and bring it up just a little bit more and then just start blending everything out. The brush that I'm using is the brush that came with the Anastasia palette, and it's a really good brush. I really like it. As you guys can see, to blend it out, I'm not doing circular motions. I'm just patting, and it's blending out really well. For my waterline, I'm taking this Lorac liquid lipstick in the shade Mulberry, and I'm just applying it all over my waterline. And then I'm going to go back in with that pink shade, the Bahamas, and just apply everything under and just blend everything together. For my inner corner, I was gonna say for my unicorn, oh my god. For my inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and take the unicorn dust highlight, and then I am gonna apply this glitter from Sasha's Vanity, and it's in the shade Last Kiss. Okay, so to cut my crease, you guys already know I'm using my favorite brush from Alamara Cosmetics. And then what I've been doing lately is I've been starting, like, wherever I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, I've just been applying the concealer all over, just kind of to give me that guideline, I guess you can say. And then I'll finish it by like just going on top and just cutting it little by little. As you guys can see, hopefully that makes sense, guys. But as you guys can see, I am taking like little baby steps. If you just go like all of a sudden really fast, it's not going to come out as sharp. Okay, so now that I have that cut, I'm going to take this really pretty shimmery pink, and I believe it's called Palermo or something like that. I don't know. But down the side, I will be applying some red shade as well, and I'm just going to blend everything together. The reason I went ahead and took this red is just so I could deepen this cut crease and just make it look more flawless. So lately I've been doing this with all my looks. I'll apply the highlight and then I'll just go back in with this white shimmery glitter. Just makes my looks pop out a little bit more. And then I'm going to take this NYX glitter, and it's in the shade Silver, and I'm just going to kind of cut my crease again with the glitter. The lashes I'm using are from Bella Eyes Inc. And you guys, she has the cutest eyelashes ever. Like, there's some of my favorites. And these are in the style Selena. Look how beautiful they are. I do have a discount code with them if you guys want to go ahead and use it. It's RUBYLAYY. Then I'm just applying my favorite highlight as well. And you guys, this is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. And subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to get notified whenever I do upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.